This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by enabling Remote Desktop and preparing credentials. First, turn on Remote Desktop in System Settings. This grants listening on the RDP service. Next, make sure the account you'll use has a strong password and remote access rights. Weak credentials invite breaches. Once done, open your firewall rules and allow port 3389 or your custom port inbound for the correct profiles. Finally, note the target's IP or DNS name so you can connect from the client machine. Now you'll configure the client and tighten security. On the client, enter the target's IP or DNS and specify the user format, then select network-level authentication to require credentials before session creation. This reduces attack surface. You should also enforce encryption and choose high-quality algorithms where available. If possible, set a static IP or DHCP reservation on the host to avoid address drift. Once the client profile is saved, test a short session to confirm credentials and policies work correctly. Finish by securing and validating the full path. If you cross the public internet, route Remote Desktop through a VPN or an SSH tunnel to prevent exposure. This is why you avoid opening RDP directly to the world. Then attempt a full remote login and run a quick app to confirm clipboard, drive, and printer redirection. If things go wrong, check Event Viewer for authentication or network errors, run a port scan, and, as a last resort, briefly disable the firewall to isolate whether rules are blocking traffic. Then,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.